Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add cash to Uber Pro Card. So, have you gotten your Uber Pro Card and wondering how to add cash to it? So, whether you are an Uber driver looking to fund your card or move external money onto it, this video will walk you through exactly how to add cash to your Uber Pro Card. So what is the Uber Pro Card? The Uber Pro Card is a business debit MasterCard issued by Branch, available to Uber drivers specifically in the US. It gives a faster access to earnings, rewards at gas stations, and cash back. But while Uber earnings go onto the card automatically, you can also add cash to it manually, and here is how. So start by launching the Uber Driver app on your phone. This is not the Uber Driver app. I'm not an Uber driver. And ensure that you're an Uber driver in the US. So start by launching the Uber Driver app on your phone and log into your driver account. On the home page, tap your profile photo in the top right corner or the bottom right corner, depending on your interface. From the menu, tap on Wallet. Now, this is where you manage all your Uber earnings and Uber Pro Card info. Under your payment methods, go ahead and tap on Uber Pro Card to view your card dashboard. Now, this opens up the card portal powered by Branch. Now, tap the button that says Add Funds or Add Money. You will see multiple options, including bank transfer, cash deposit, or direct deposit from other sources. If you are adding physical cash, select Cash Deposit. Uber Pro Card is supported by cash deposit networks like Green Dot and MasterCard Repower. Once you select a network, you'll be prompted to generate a barcode. This barcode can be used at participating locations like CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, 7-Eleven, Family Dollar, and more. The app will also show you a list of nearby retailers based on your GPS. So go to the store, show the barcode to the cashier, and hand them the cash you want to deposit. The money will be added to your Uber Pro Card typically within minutes. Go back to the Uber Driver app or Branch powered card dashboard and check your updated balance. You will see the cash deposit listed under recent transactions. And that is how to add cash to your Uber Pro Card, quick, secure, and available at thousands of retail locations. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.